Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my trade manager, which is Boots Trade Manager, and it's a very simple manager, and it is when you install it in your chart. So on the left hand side, you can see all these buttons, right? So these are not your, you're not going to use them by pressing them like this. All you're going to do is these are just for the reference, right? For SL, you have to press L for show line, again L close line, C for to open trade, you have to press O. So these are basically hotkeys which you are going to use in order to execute your trade. Now you can always if you forget something, then you can always just press this button to have some sort of reference, and then you can just press it and it goes back. Now why it is a very powerful tool is because let's suppose that now you want to execute a trade, because I personally trade on M1 with the reference of higher time frame. So what I do is, let's say I want to take a buy here. So I've pressed L. When I press L, so these these lines pop up on my screen, and these are basically showing me, this red line is showing me my SL, and these are my risk to reward lines, like these blue lines are my risk to reward lines. So let's say that I'm going to put my SL somewhere around here, and now I'm going to press O, and boom, in just pressing one button, my lot size have been calculated, and I have pressed C, and the lines have lines are gone. If I want to again see the lines to see how much risk to reward that I'm going to take, so this is I'm going to set it my risk to reward to, let's say, sorry, I want to set it to 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hour, right? It doesn't matter. So my risk to reward has been set, and then I press C and I close the line, right? And then if I want to, just for the sake of reference, that I want to see the lines, I'm going to have that. So what is the best part? So I have I have set a setting that I just want to risk $100 per trade, right? So I don't have to manually go and see how much pips are there, what is my SL, and what lot size should I trade. All I do is I just press one button, and it automatically calculate the lot size and execute, right? And now let's say that the trade is about to hit SL, so I'm just going to press one button, and the trade has been closed. Okay, so this is how you achieve fast results in your trading, right? For example, let's say if I want to manually do that, so I want to take a trade, so I don't know what lot size. Let's say I quickly calculate the lot size, and that is 0.03, and I want to buy here. Now I have bought. After buying, now I'm going to set my SL, and let's say my SL is here. Now I realize, oh damn, my SL is too big, and I have, instead of losing $100, I am losing a $300, right? And then I'm going to set my TP, and let's say my TP is over here. So that is just a one-to-one RR trade, right? And that is too much. And if I want to close partials, let's say I want to close partials, so how I'm going to close partials? I'm going to I don't even know how you close partials here. Let's say okay, modify, and then just a minute. So to close partials, let's say I'm going to just click here. Sorry, uh, I don't even know how you close partials over here. Anyhow, okay, yes, here, uh, here you modify position, and market execution. Okay, yes. So now you're going to just close partials over here, and then I have bought, so I'm going to sell. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to close partials over here. Okay, yes. Yes, now I have closed partial. So let's say I wanted to close partial over here, the price has already moved and it takes a lot of effort. And now if I want to close the whole position, so all I have to do is I have to just I have to go like this and then come here, and then from here I'm going to close it. It's a too much time and it takes a lot of effort if you are scalping or a prop firm trader. On the other hand, let's say if you come to this boots trading community, boots trading trade manager, so all you have to do is you're just going to uh, select, put your SL, because remember the professional traders, they always put SL before entering their trade. They always have the SL in mind. Don't be that trader who doesn't know what is the SL and he decides after taking a trade. So let's say this is my SL, and this is my SL. I want to risk $100. I have pressed one key and everything else has just been selected. SL is there, and now let's say if I am a 1 to 1 hour trade, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my TP at 1 hour. So I'm risking $100 to make $100. Let's say you are a 2 hour trader or a 1.5 hour trade. So that's how you're going to put your stop loss and call it a day. And if you want to close partials, so now see, I want you to see this. So let's say if your price is in profit and you want to close parcel, so this is a 0.14 lot. Now I'm just going to press P, and 50% of my trade have been closed. So I have secured my profits as well, and I have didn't press anything else. I have made my profit, and if price moves a bit ahead, so I'm going to show you how you are going to put break even as well. So price moves ahead, I have pressed B and price went in break even. Now price is at break even, risk free trade, and I have made my money as well. All, and if I want to close now, I'll just press F, and the whole trade has been closed. So you don't have to do manually anything. All you have to do is you have to focus on your analysis. What is your analysis? What is your trade criteria? From where you are buying? So that's all you need to do. This is how professional traders trade. This is how you are supposed to trade. So now if you want to buy this indicator, so the link is in the description. You can go and you can buy this indicator, and you can test it out, right? So it's a very cheap, very good indicator. I made it for myself, and I'm just giving it to all those who have a trading model and they want to trade and execute flawlessly. Okay, so we'll seeing you again. So this is a very good indicator, and I would highly urge you that you should have at least trade manager. If you even if you don't want to have this trade manager, always trade with a trade manager and do not trade on your mobile phones, right? Because if when the time comes and you are going to trade on high capital, so when you're trading on a high capital, so that is where you need to have these sorts of assets, these sort of trade managers who are going to help you in managing big capital and in managing your trades. Okay, so have a nice day again, and you can check up my website for this indicator.